High KYC update. Since KYC is an important metric in the open mainnet, so we are providing exciting updates in the KYC process that unblocked hundreds of thousands of applications to continue. So first, go to the home screen to learn more. This is the article, the latest update about the KYC process. So we will check at the end of this video inside this article. We can find out everything about the KYC, why is still your KYC is still stuck, why is still your KYC is still not approved, what problem you just had, what mistake you just made, the whole thing. We will check this article. All you can see, over 1 million applications have been unblocked thanks to improved algorithms and resubmission opportunities. You know, lots of applications were blocked, like about their KYC, about they did not apply for the KYC, they did not get KYC invitation or notification. So, of course, millions of applications have been unblocked. Now everyone can apply for the KYC. Everyone can complete their KYC. This is good news. The number of finers receiving KYC has increased. So, have you received KYC? Of course, in Q1 2024, I can say that till March 2024, developers are trying to fix all the problems, especially the KYC problem, especially the token migration problem. So have you received a KYC invitation? Because lots of users are getting KYC. Lots of users are their KYCs just approving. This is all because developers are just working very hard to fix those problems. So the bad news is, in here, Bondex CEO calling Pi Network a worthless mining project while charging people $3 for KYC because the platform is not able to validate 3 million users. So Pi Network has 8 million KYC verified users. All pet the verification with 540 applications and a reasonable offline and online ecosystem. Okay, guys, you can see in here, you can see this picture. Yes, go to a worthless mining project with no use case like Pi Network. Even KYCs, no more boards. So we already have captured no boards on our platform. Even if I show you the next screenshot, you can see charging $3 is a scam, I think. So we have 3 million users. That would cost us $9 million until after the TGE. We will not have the funding to do that. So we cannot add drop without getting the travel with the SAC unless everyone has done KYC. So before you use a word like a scam, think or can be informed. Also, $3 for a minimum of 2,000 return is a solid investment. So Bing CEO saying that Pi Network is a worthless mining project. Now those who completed their KYC, let me know in the comment section. Did you pay $3 for your KYC? Let me know in the comment section if have you or not, because in here you can see saying that it just costs $3 to complete your KYC. So now let me know in the comment section, have you paid $3 for your KYC? Okay. Further, you can see another scam in here. No one can speed up your KYC migration or lockup period. No one is on social media. Check in here. Should I trust people offering quick migrations and early lockup on Instagram? Inside the social media, there are lots of scammers. They are asking you for payment. They will just take your money. They cannot do anything. They cannot complete your KYC. They cannot migrate your token. They cannot speed up the process of KYC or migration. So do not do these things. Do not pay anything for your KYC, because only developers can help you. No one else. So this is time to check this article, KYC process update for pioneers. You know, on the second roadmap version 2, on December 27th, we just read that if you want to see the open minute, we need to complete 3 conditions. So the condition second is one of the most important conditions, which is all about KYC migration utility. So because of that, developers just take serious about the KYC. They are just trying to solve this problem. However, if you check this article, inside this article, you can find why your KYC is stuck, what mistake you have made, what is the problem, and everything you can get inside this article. I know lots of KYCs are so developers are trying to solve those problems. Okay, the first one is identifying and addressing a core problem. This problem is missing or have incorrectly entered information. You know, for the first time while visiting the KYC, some of the users did not take it seriously. They just put the wrong information. They just read the wrong information. So because of that, their KYC is not approved, because at the first time you did not take it seriously, even like uploading your ID documents. The quality is not good. The background is not good. Your name is not the same. Even you did not use your original name. So with an unclear ID image. So because of that, your KYC is stuck. One thing I should tell you, developers cannot do like, I can say an individual person cannot help us. You know, there are millions of applications. So how only developers should fix those problems. So we should cooperate with developers. We should help them. How we can help them? By providing your original name and high-quality ID documents, like as high-quality images, with clear backgrounds, with clear lighting. Everything. So if you use wrong information, if you use a third-quality image, of course, your KYC will not be up. This is the first problem. So the second, you can check in here, solutions and recent effectiveness. So developers are just trying to fix those problems. Like how the first one is comprehensive application reprocessing. So over 1.5 million applications in total were struck in the KYC process due to missing data in your application. Okay, from 1.5 million, only 2,000 unblocked. So 1.3 million is still remaining. Still remaining cases, still 1.3 million cases have been issued. So they are trying to solve it by the end of November 2023. 1.3 million applications. So they are facing problems. So developers are trying to fix it. So after that, after the month of November 2023, you can see 1.3 million. So from 13.5 million, 32,000 applications get unstuck and move in your KYC journey. Of course, still, there are some applications that are stuck about the KYC. So resubmission opportunities for pioneers, of course, one more chance. You will get to resubmit your KYC. Make sure this time to use high-quality ID documents. Your original name, just use the name that is mentioned on your ID card. You can see we allowed about 8,000 remaining applications blocked by this issue to have one more chance to resubmit their applications. So 8,000 applications, they will get a new opportunity to resubmit their application to resubmit the KYC. Okay, validators review as the solution. Of course, validators will check the application, they will check your documents and the quality, and then they will just process them for the next step. Okay, now, all you can check this article. You can read this article from A to Z, but I will read the important parts of this article. Okay, improved liveness video processing. Okay, there were about 3,000 KYC applications before November 2023 that were stuck in the KYC process due to failures of processing their video in their initial submission, unblocking applications with watermark issues. Some of your applications with watermarks, of course, will block you. Of course, they will block your applications. So further 1367 pioneers to continue their KYC process. Their applications were just unblocked. Checking this article, we just get that developers just unblocked thousands of applications. They just solve thousands of issues. They just give hundreds of users a new chance to resubmit their KYC application. So here, you can see some of the tips for Pioneer for a smoother KYC process. If you want to just complete your KYC very fast, quickly. So make sure to check these things. Complete information, use the complete information. Original information, high-quality document image with clear background, clear color, with high quality, and correct country of ID submission. Use the country that is mentioned on your ID card. For example, you are living in Australia, but your ID card is from India, but you are using Australia. Why use India? Because on your ID documents, the country is India. So make sure to use the correct country. Consistent ID document submission, and then consistent language in data entry. This is the tips. If you want to complete your KYC, more than 7,000 users will get a new chance to resubmit their KYC application once again. If you make any mistake, so forget about Pi Network, forget about your Pi coins. Because when developers should solve your problem, you make a mistake, the developer should solve it. Once again, if you make a mistake, the developer should solve it. We need to cooperate with Pi developers because only developers can solve this problem. There are lots of applications, so a single person cannot do it. We have to cooperate with them. We have to submit original information, high-quality documents, the correct country, and everything. You can check this article inside this article. You can find each and everything about the KYC.